Hi fellow YouTubers, what I have for you today is the unboxing of the Jabra Elite 75T wireless earbuds, and this one is in titanium black. So, went ahead and already cut the two protecting tabs on here. Okay, alright, that out of here. So here are the earbuds. It's just an informational. It's telling you can download the Jabra Sound Plus app to connect it to the smartphone. Okay, and here's the two earbuds. Looks like this is the charging case. And in this box we've got, okay, you got your charging cable as well as extra different sizes ear pads there. And we got the earbuds here. Oh, there it goes. Yep. Pretty nice. So this is the titanium black version. And these earbuds have what they call the 4-microphone call technology, which filters out disruptive noises around you. The Jabra Elite 75T can last up to 7.5 hours on a single charge, and with the charging case can carry a total of 28 hours of battery life. The charging case has fast charging capabilities for the earbuds, so you can get 60 minutes of use from 15 minutes of charging. Let's see. Okay, there we go. The charging case can be charged using a USB-C cable, and there it is right here in the back. And there's also a variant of this one that can be charged wirelessly using a Qi charging pad. My version is not that one, so I have to use the USB-C cable in order to charge it. And the Jabra Elite 75T is IP55 rated with a 2-year warranty against dust and water damage. And for those of you that are not aware of IP ratings, the ingress protection measures how well a device is protected from both solid and liquids. The first digit is for the level of protection. The enclosure provides against solid objects, while the second is against various forms of moisture. As mentioned, the Jabra Elite 75T is IP55 rated, and that means that this is dust resistant and can resist a sustained low pressure water jet spray. So this cannot be submerged in water, so be careful with that. These earbuds have what Jabra is calling hear-through technology, which is basically lets you decide how much of the ambient noises are allowed through the earbuds so you can hear more of what's going on around you. As for some of the tech specs for the Elite 75, these have passive noise cancellation ability, noise reduction on outgoing voice audio using the 4-microphone call technology. It does have wind noise protection. The earbuds have a battery life, as I mentioned, of 7.5 hours with an additional 28 hours using the charging case. It has a sleep mode where it will turn itself off after 15 minutes without connection or 60 minutes without activity, which is configurable in the Jabra Sound Plus app. This has a standby time of 6 months. Charging time is approximately 2 hours and 20 minutes to full charge using a standard 500 milliamp USB wall charger. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity with an operating range of up to 10 meters or 33 feet. It can be paired with up to 8 devices and can be connected to 2 devices at a time. The music will auto pause if one of the earbuds is removed from the ear. The earbuds have auto on and off features. It comes on when removed from the case and goes to sleep after 15 minutes of no connectivity, or again 60 minutes of no activity, which is configurable in the app. And that is it for the Jabra Elite 75T wireless earbuds. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe out there.